this is Nate, and today I'm with Captain Jimmy from Jimmy Counts Outdoors, and we are headed to Lake Wateree in South Carolina, outside of Columbia, to try to catch some bass and bluegill and crappie. Usually we're trying to go offshore, but this week it's looking like pretty bad conditions offshore until Sunday, and we decided to do some inshore fishing. So I drove about 2 hours to get out here, and we're gonna go see what we can catch. Stay tuned. What bait did you get it on?
Yes, our 5. Right there.
And today we are headed to Lake Multry. We just picked up the boat, and I'm out here with Captain Jimmy, and he's gonna let us know what we're going to do.
Hey, today we're gonna go and see if we can't catch some stripers, some largemouth bass. We're gonna get some minnows just in case we come across some stripers. We're gonna put in at Shoal Island and concentrate on the Hollow Creek area. And God be willing, the creek don't rise, we'll have a good day and we'll be able to put some fish in the boat.
We're fighting a little bit of rain in the forecast here, so we're picking and choosing where we're headed today. A couple different options. The radar's showing some spotty rain, so hopefully we'll manage to stay dry. If not, we have some rain gear, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. Stay tuned. We just got out here to Lake Multry, just dunked the boat in. I'm here with Captain Jimmy, and the boat's loaded up. It's a Nitro Z9. It's a pretty quick boat, and we're gone fishing. So what kind of baits do you usually throw, and what kind of things dictate what you're throwing?
This time of the year is post-spawn, so the 55 are lethargic, so I typically throw slower moving baits during the day. Fish tend to slow down a little bit, so I slow down with them.
And what kind of stuff are you looking to target when you're out here on a day like today with bluebird skies?
Any kind of structure near deep water.
Ooh, just like that, he's on. That is a nice one. Hold that baby up.
Nice little male.
Nice fish. Jimmy is hooked up on a nice one. Jimmy with the first fish of the day. Fish number 3. What'd you catch that on?
Watermelon candy. Kids like candy.
That's how it's done. He's on.
Santee Cooper, largemouth bass. Pitching stumps up in the swamp.
Captain Jimmy Outdoors.